way you move make me blind. You will always be there, there's no doubt.
So welcome back. I'm here with another stamping nail art collab, and the theme for this week is natural, meaning you could stamp on natural nails or natural looking colors. And here are all the pictures of the ladies that participated in this collaboration. So for my nails, I searched my collection and I found this pretty close to natural nail polish color, and it's from Zoya in the shade Cathy. And I do have liquid latex around my nail to protect the skin when I do stamping, because it is a pain to clean up the black and white nail polish stamping. Okay, so I'm going to use this Pueen Nail Party 01 stamping plates, and I want to use this image of like lace with black roses. Well, black because I'm using black stamping polish, but it's roses. And I thought this would go cute with this nude base, so I'm just gonna stamp this same image on all of my nails.
I'm picking up the speed, oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there, oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you, yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the.
And here is my finished results. I already top coated it. It was quick and simple. I really love how this came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to check the other ladies videos out too. They did an awesome job, and I will see you guys later. Bye.